Now, chapter 12, next set of questions that we have to discuss, that is E set. First question is cover the face of the torch. टॉर्च के फेस को कवर कर देना है विथ अ ट्रांसपेरेंट कलर पेपर होना चाहिए और ट्रांसपेरेंट भी होना चाहिए. सेंड इट्स बीम थ्रू एन ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व इफ द फेस ऑफ द टॉर्च इज कवर्ड with transparent color paper and the beam sent through an opaque object, we will only observe a kind of dark shadow behind the object. ठीक है, तो डार्क शेडो तभी बनेगा जब ऑपेक ऑब्जेक्ट से करते हैं, लाइट को पास करेंगे तो यहाँ पर वही चीज हो रहा है. thus a shadow is formed when light is made to pass through it. Second question is with the help of suitable diagram show the size of shadow form depends upon the relative position of the source and the opaque object. तो यहाँ पर रिलेटिव पोजिशन है, पावरफुल टॉर्च एंड कार्डबोर्ड पीसेज हेयर इन द पिक्चर, and shadow will be smaller if the source of light and object is at a large distance. अगर ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस होंगे ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में, रिलेटिव पोजिशन ज़्यादा होंगे, तो shadow will be smaller. So here is picture you have to draw also. And next set में दिखा रहे हैं when the source of light and ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है, जो कार्डबोर्ड है यहाँ पर उसके बीच में रिलेटिव डिस्टेंस कम है, then the shadow will be larger. The shadow will be larger if the distance between source of light and object is smaller. Next question is Raghav set up the following arrangement in the science laboratory. ये arrangement जो है बुक में दिया हुआ आप लोगों को. He put first a sheet glass and second a transparent glass at the position P. So P is given here, you can see in this picture one by one. Would a shadow be formed in each case? Give reason for your answer. तो फर्स्ट केस में है स्टील ग्लास, तो स्टील ग्लास ऑपिक मटेरियल है, सिंपल है. ऑपिक मटेरियल से जब होगा लाइट पास होंगे तो क्या होगा, शेडो विल फॉर्म. और ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास होंगे पाथ में तो shadow will not form on the screen. So in first case shadow will form because steel glass is an opaque material, ठीक है. And in second case shadow will not form because glass is transparent which can pass light from it. So that is the answer of this question. Next, with the help of a diagram, show the formation of an image by a pinhole camera. So here you have to draw the picture of pinhole camera. Aluminium foil you have to take, butter paper you have to draw, and two tube-like structure you have to take through which light may pass, and one hole you have to make in aluminum foil. Here you have to see that the image will form on the screen, that is butter paper, is diminished and inverted. जो इस इमेज बनेगा वो क्या होगा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उससे छोटा बनेगा एंड इन्वर्टेड यानी उल्टा बनेगा. So you must remember it and draw the picture in your science copy. Fifth question is give the meaning of the term lateral inversion. Suggest how it may be used to send a coded secret message. secret message को या coded message को भेजने में कैसे इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. The effect of the interchange of left and right between an object and its image is in a plane mirror is called lateral inversion. ठीक है, जो इमेज बनता है but the image is a slightly changed, the left side is look like a right side and right side of object look like a left side in the image. That is known as lateral inversion. It can be due to the send a coded, it can be used to send a coded or secret message as after writing all the letters in an inverted manner. Nobody would understand it and they shall probably require a mirror at the end. सो इस तरह के केस में हम लोग कोडेड के रूप में भेज सकते हैं, जो राइट साइड अगर लेफ्ट साइड हो जाए तो उसको जल्दी कोई पढ़ नहीं पाएगा। और तब जो मैसेज भेजेंगे वो लेटर इन्वर्टेड फॉर्म में होंगे, लेटरली इन्वर्टेड होंगे, और नो बॉडी वुड अंडरस्टैंड इट, but you can understand because you know that what is letter inversion, and they shall probably require a mirror at the end, और बाद में अगर इसको पढ़ना हो तो फिर लास्ट में मिरर की जरूरत होगी। So that is the all about that. Next is the value based question. When Sumiti got admission to her new school, her class teacher advised her to follow the example of her cousin sister Karmatha, a senior student in the same school. The teacher told her that Karmatha had all along been a hard-working, sincere, regular, well-behaved, and disciplined student. She also told her that Karmatha's nature was unlike that of the shadow of an object. This was because the shadow often changes its size and appearance with a change in the source of light to which it was due. So question is, which according to you are the two values displayed by Karmatha that Sumit must follow? So the two values that Sumit must follow, many values explained in the sentence. The two, only two you have to select. The first one you can write, hardworking and disciplined life. और भी बहुत सारे वैल्यू हैं, you can write. Answer question 2. Does the size of shadow of a given object change even when there is no change in the source of light? Give one example in support of your answer. The size of the shadow of an object changes due to the change in the position of the source providing light to the object. At morning and evening, large size of shadow will form, while at the time of 12 p.m. the position of sun is just above our head. So at this time a minimum size of shadow is formed. So size of shadow depends on the source of light from where it is coming. कहाँ से आ रहा है light और किस position में है source of light. On that basis size of shadow will depend. जब मॉर्निंग में रहेंगे तो बड़ा बनेगा, यू कैन सी इट। और मॉर्निंग में देखेंगे सुबह में जाएंगे तो कि उसका साइज है, लेकिन जैसे ही नून होता है तो एट दैट टाइम द शैडो विल बी स्मॉलर। थर्ड इज ट्राई टू add as many entries as possible to the table given below. So here two entries are given. Third entry I already doing here. I am doing here. You have to also search in your book and you can write more entries here. So in first uh, column you can write letter inversion, why it is occur, due to plane mirror, and the size will not change. जो भी मिरर में इमेज बनते हैं वो क्या होता है, सेम साइज का होता है जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं. So all question you have to write answer of all these questions in your book, in your copy, and learn it. If any problem you are facing, then you can discuss with me in your class. Okay. So bye to all of you.